Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic FreeCAD tutorial how to loft to point. I will create new drawing and change into part design, click create body, create sketch and I will choose top plan. For the first profile, I will draw circle, click close. And to insert point, we can go to draft tools, you can change into top view, change into draft and then choose these icons to create points. I will click center of the circle, this point, can orbit, and I will select this point, right click, go to transform. After it, we can move in blue axis and click OK to apply. Now we can go back into part design and then click model tabs. We can move this point into sketch like this. After it, you can right click on body and then click toggle active body. Now you can select this circle object, click Loft tools, and after it, you can click at this section, select a point, and then click OK. So it will be automatically loft to point. Okay, that's it for a basic FreeCAD tutorials how to loft to point. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.